Daniel, now we're going to do our scales in our staff book. Look, also today we're going to write some more treble clef signs. You did a great job, and with your bass clef signs, and with your space note. Okay, here's your C major scale, Daniel, and we're going to play 2 octaves. Here's our metronome. C. Okay, that's 60. And we're going to do the right hand first. Now Daniel, remember, we're not going to start on middle C anymore. We're going to go down to bass C because we're going to go 2 octaves now. Ready? Elevators on every note. Wait, we start with an elevator on every note. Even the first one like this. Remember? Ready? Go. Nice elevators, Daniel. Right with the metronome. And now 2 octaves. Click and click and click. We're going to stop and tuck. Stop and tuck. Tuck, tuck. Click and stop and tuck. After 3 we stop and tuck. Yes. Whoops. After 3 we stop and tuck. Click. After the tonic, what do we cross over? Not 3. Not 3. Yes! And one more time. Good job, Daniel. Go. Remember, after 3 we tuck, then after 4 we tuck. Go. After 3 we tuck. And after 4 we tuck. After 3 we tuck. What happens? Thumb on C, then what happens? Yes! Wow, Daniel, good job. Now left hand. That's you did a great job with the metronome. Now remember, we don't start on bass C, we start on the low C. Ready? Wrist up, Daniel, wrist up. Thank you. Now we're going to listen to the metronome. Ready? Go. Tuck after 3. When you get to the tonic, you tuck after 4. Oops. Start again up here. Yes, Daniel, you're right. You're right. Careful here. All right. That's so good, Daniel. Turn the metronome off.
Daniel, that's
Daniel.
awesome. Yay!
Daniel, Mommy wants to say something to you. Listen what Mommy's going to say.
Daniel, I am so impressed. You know, Mommy learned how to do that in college at the university, and it was really hard for me. And Daniel, you're 5.5 years old. I didn't play them until I was 19. Daniel, wow. That's amazing.
Can you believe that, Daniel?
It's truly
Can you believe
amazing.
that? Okay, now Daniel, C major triads. Tonic 5-3. Daniel, will you stand up on the box and I'm going to fix your pillow? Now sit down. There you go. Good. And all together blocked. This one's good. C, E, G. This one has a D in it. D doesn't belong in the C major triad. C, now we need an E. And play together. Good, Daniel. Now, Daniel, do you remember? That's called tonic 5-3. That's called Now, Daniel, I want to show you something. Remember yesterday what we did? We inverted it. So you have these tonic 5-3. Look at your hand here. We're going to keep these two notes. We're going to take the C off the bottom. Where are we going to put it? Do you remember? You take the C note off the bottom. And where are we going to put the C note? Off the bottom, put it where? On the top. Put it on the top. We keep the E and the G, take the C note off the bottom, put it on the top. And it's called tonic 6-3. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can you play tonic 6-3? Again. Isn't that beautiful? Say tonic 6-3.
Tonic 6-3. Tonic 6-3.
Yes. Now try tonic 5-3 again. Tonic 5-3. You put them together. Now let the right hand rest, and let's do the left hand inversion. We had tonic 5-3, and we're going to take the C off the bottom, keep the E and G, and put the C on the top with your thumb. Can you find the C on the top with your thumb? Keep those two notes and put your thumb on C on the top. Wow, yes, Daniel. Yes, Daniel! And it's called tonic 6-3. Say it.
Tonic 6-3.
Now keep that one there. And let's try the right hand tonic 6-3. Keep E and G. And with your pinky, put C on top. Now see if you can play them together.
Wow.
Daniel, isn't that beautiful? Tonic 6-3. Say it.
Tonic 6-3.
Yep. Or you could say C major 6-3. Now let's do the subdominant triad. That's the fourth note. C, D, E, F. Now let's play the F5-3 chord. Can you find the F5-3 chord, Daniel? The F5-3. Put your thumb on F. That's E. Put your thumb on F. Good. And now left hand. Raise your wrist a little bit. Raise your wrist a little bit. Good. Remember, it's the subdominant. It's going to be, that's C chord. It's going to be F chord. Let's find the F chord again with the right hand. There you go. Raise your wrist a little bit. Now keep that right there. And now let's do the left hand F, subdominant 5-3. Whoops. You're right, F. A. And. Beautiful. Play it a little bit. Say subdominant 5-3.
Subdominant 5-3.
That's right. Isn't that nice? Now, Daniel, can you find dominant 5-3? It's the fifth note of the scale. C, D, E, F. G. So it's on G. So your thumb is on G, and your pinky is on G. Can you find the 5-3? And say dominant 5-3.
Dominant 5-3.
That's awesome, Daniel. Okay. Now the last thing we're going to do, Daniel, remember how we're learning how to stretch our fingers? Dominant 7, 5-3. Wow. You don't have to play them together, just play one note at a time. Use 2, use 2, then 3, and the only finger you don't use is 4. Nope, don't use 4, use 3. 1, 2, 3, 3, and now 5. Wow, Daniel, look how your fingers are stretching. Now left hand. Left hand. Dominant with pinky. And then 3, and then 5. Now 5. Right here, this one. And now your thumb stretches up to 7. 3. You skip every other note. Okay, we're all done with the chords. That's so good, Dan.